welcome to the ride, people. Long time no see. How's everybody doing? Oh, sorry about that echo. We're coming through a tunnel. How's everybody doing? You guys okay? Man, it's been a while. I missed you guys. How's everybody doing? Like, seriously, are you guys okay? Yeah? Y'all good? Yeah, well, let me tell you, I got a lot to catch up on with you guys. First and foremost, let me apologize for my delinquency. I've been having a lot of family things going on. My mom and dealing with some family stuff. And hadn't had a chance to get out and ride the bike. But today, we are riding. And that is what we're gonna do this afternoon. So, long story short, get your water, grab your bike, get your helmet, and let's go. Cue the intro. Good humans. I know, right? I figured I'd come and get a ride since I have been absolutely delinquent from riding the bike. And let me tell you guys, my mom had emergency surgery, and long story short, I wasn't able to ride last week because, you know, me and my mom are both dialysis patients. So I felt like I need to be next to my mom. So forgive me if I've been MIA. Mom's doing well, and she's back home, eating regular food and feeling better. So, gotta give a shout out to everybody that, you know, sent their well wishes and told my mom they love them. Thank you guys very much. So today, I'm gonna take advantage of enjoying some much deserved bike time. I know I missed you guys, man. I wasn't able to record anything, but now today was such an excellent day, I figured I'd take advantage of it. Yeah. So we're gonna go hang out at one of my spots, probably get a Red Bull. Yeah, you heard me. Hey, Red Bull. I think I've earned it. We're just gonna go sit, chill, talk, catch up. Who knows? There's no telling what else we might get into. I don't have anything specifically planned, but I for sure I'm gonna get a Red Bull. That's planned for sure. Definitely gonna get a Red Bull. And in fact, I have one with me in my pack. So we're gonna go hit my little favorite sitting spot up. And who knows? But I do know I'm going over here. That's for sure. That is most definitely. I'm almost there. Yeah. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh man, I can't wait. This is what I'm talking about. Whoo-wee. Well, good humans, we have made it to one of my favorite spots on the Greenway. It's absolutely peaceful out here. The sun is that way, so I'm gonna I'm gonna pan you around this way so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at all that back there in the background. Is that not beautiful? or what? So I like to come here on a regular basis and just kind of chill, relax. It's kind of my getaway from the getaway to the getaway. And it turned out to be really, really perfect. About that Red Bull, I did say I was gonna drink a Red Bull, but I'm gonna hold on to it. I wanna go do a little more riding and go show you another spot that I haven't been yet. So for now, I'm just kind of enjoying this right now. This is what I needed. I haven't been on the bike in literally a whole week, just about a week and a half. I haven't done any recording or anything, and I feel so bad for not taking y'all with me on a, I got another episode of what happened last week, but I'm gonna hold off on releasing that just until I'm sure, it's appropriate to do so. So that one's a little dated from like the end of February, but we'll talk about that. So for now, well, all right, come on, let's get back on. Let's head back out. Forgive me if it's a little windy, because it is, but I thought coming up to the trail today was going to be freaking perfect. Slow roll it and easy go. Look at that. The neighborhoods from here are just awesome. See, what you guys don't know about the Greenway is this is a solid incline. I believe this is a 280-foot incline. I had to check Strava. So I probably check Strava at the end of the ride to see what our gains was for this particular ride. But coming back here to the trail is always amazing to me. And between you and me, there's a new part of the Greenway that they just finished. I know another section, right? Isn't that awesome? We gotta go check that out. But it probably won't be today. When daylight saving time happens again, I think time goes up on Sunday. So when we get some more daylight and it gets just a smidgen warmer, we're gonna go check out that one side. I don't know where it goes. I've seen it, it goes like downhill. It's like a solid downhill for at least half a mile. So we gotta see that. I used to like sitting there. When the spring gets here, the flowers on that gazebo thingy are freaking amazing to look at. So, see that incline? See how high up on the hill we are? So we got a good little bit. I'm actually gonna turn down into the neighborhood and I'm gonna make a circle. Cause if we get too far up, knowing me, I'll be stuck out here riding at night. And I'm gonna be honest with you, it's already cold. I don't wanna get caught and no much of nothing. So I wanna make this ride as fun as possible and minimize the risk of me catching a cold or the flu or anything else. So we're gonna actually turn up here and take the shortcut for a little bit. Hey there. Oh man. You know what? It is getting colder. Might get a little windy. We're going downhill. But man. Alright, might get a lot windy. I think I'm against the headwind. I can't tell. I'm trying to stabilize. Oh man. Alright, so we're gonna end up coming out into the neighborhood. And remember, I told you guys I'm just gonna do one big circle because it's gonna get dark early. Excuse me, guys. So because it's gonna get dark a little earlier, I don't wanna go too far. But I may stop, splurge a little bit, Who knows? I haven't made my mind up quite yet. Today's goal is just about cruising. I don't want to overdo it too. What's up there? How we doing, brother? Here we go. So now that we're officially in the neighborhood, we could probably go explore a little bit too. I may stop at Manuel's, who knows? The way these things work, I'm usually undecided about what I want to do when I get this far. I'm just enjoying myself. And on top of that, today is just about the ride. I don't really care to do much else, nothing other than just enjoy this cruise. Because to be honest with you, I don't have to worry about being a dialysis patient when I'm riding, or be sick, or anything of that nature. Stay focused and motivated, as the drill sergeant would say. Gotta give a big shout out to Colonel Boy Third, aka the drill sergeant. S-fam is what we call it. Stay focused and motivated is what it's called. So, big shout out to Corona Boy whenever you see this. Hey. This is beautiful. Look at that. You can see spring is on the come up. I was about to say on the horizon, but that sounds like such a really sucky way to put it. But yeah, look at that. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Well, good humans, it is starting to get a little cold. So we need to be making our way back home to the car. Remember, I told you we got a late start. So we're gonna head back up and, oh wait, the road is closed. Oh, is it? It's really closed. Oh snap, they closed that road up there. Like, so what's going on? Like, we can't go that way anymore? Wow. They closed the road off over here. Well, I guess we're gonna go up the traditional way then, aren't we? Like, they really closed the road over here. Here, have a look right here. Like, yeah, they closed that whole road. They closed that whole section off. Unfreaking believable. All right, looks like we gotta turn around and head back up. Man, that was a surprise. And I can't cut through there neither. All right, come on, let's turn around. Yeah. Well, good humans, I wasn't expecting that to happen. I didn't think they closed that off. They must be putting construction pipes down or something over there. I wonder if there is a way to get around that. I'm pretty sure there is, but we can go back up down by the new apartment complex and then just cut through, if I remember it right. So we're not lost, it's just we're detouring. So it's getting a little cold out here, and I, for one, I'm not about to be out here to get in no trouble with it. So we're gonna go back up to the car, and then I guess we can go get something to eat. I haven't eaten anything today, and I've been saying I was gonna get a Red Bull, and I didn't yet. So that's something we can do too. So alrighty, come on, let's get back to the car.
So bip, bip, I'd put back.